We're on our way to Grampy's, always such good company. It's the only place to be.
Where?
Over at Grampy's house. Da-dee-dee-da-dee, it never is too late. Da-dee-dee-da-dee, he will always wait. And when everybody's resting, he is always full of pep.